Most people want a better life. They want more confidence, more strength, more success. But very few people are willing to change one simple thing, what they do every single day. Because the truth is simple. Your life does not change in one big moment. It changes through small daily actions that slowly shape the person you become. And long ago, there was a solitary soldier who understood this better than anyone. Every morning, before the sun touched the mountains, the soldier would wake up and begin his training. Not because someone told him to, not because anyone was watching, but because he believed in a powerful rule. If you improve just a little every single day, your entire life begins to transform. While the world slept, he trained. While others complained about their problems, he built strength. While many searched for motivation, he followed discipline, day after day. The change was not visible at first, but slowly something powerful happened. His body became stronger, his mind became calmer, and his confidence became unbreakable. Because the soldier knew something most people forget. Your future is not decided by what you do once, it is decided by what you repeat daily. One disciplined habit, practiced every day, can change everything. Reading a few pages, training your body, planning your next day, improving your focus. These small actions may look ordinary, but over time, they build an extraordinary life. Most people wait for the perfect moment to change, but disciplined people understand something different. The perfect moment is today. The question is not whether change is possible. The question is whether you are willing to show up every single day. Because if you do this daily, your mindset will change, your habits will change, and eventually, your entire life will change. If this message inspired you, then this channel is for you. Here we share powerful stories about discipline, mindset, and personal growth. Subscribe if you want to build the mindset of the 1% who refuse to stay average. Like the video so more young men can hear this message, and share it with someone who needs the reminder that greatness is built one day at a time.